cleaning your Frigidaire dishwasher filter, or Ikea. Mine's Ikea, but it is made by Frigidaire. Okay, so open. When your whirlybird looks like this, pull it up. Lay it to the side. Turn that and pull it out. Look down in there. See, is that gross? If it is, wash it out. I got some stuff on there. Okay, we'll wash that in a minute. Then, yeah, just grab this part, pull up. There you go. And you wanna see, there's some gross stuff in there. Clean the screen with some soap and water. Look down in there, see if you got anything grody. Mine looks pretty good. Nothing stuck down in the hole or nothing like that right there. And then you wash it all, put it all back.